In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Instagram name font style. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to change the font style on Instagram, you need to open your internet browser, and in the search bar, you need to type Instagram font generator. Click on this first link. Now click on this add text option here and type your name. As you can see that it has created thousands of designs for my name. So select any one and then copy it. Now go back to Instagram. Click on this edit profile option. Remove your current name and then paste the new stylish name here. Click on paste and that's it. In this way you can change your Instagram name font style. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.